guys, welcome back to another day, another video, another vlog. So today I'm going to City Beauty Lounge. It's a salon in Santon, and you guys know if I'm trying a salon for the first time, I'm definitely vlogging because I want to tell you guys everything. So I'm getting my hair done, I'm getting cornrows. I hope that with the money that they're charging me, they will wash my hair first. Like, that is very important. So yeah, I'm quite excited. I've seen two people go there, Vuyo and Zizi. I think I saw it first from Zizi and I was like, I want to see. Also, I've seen some of their pictures and their stories. Like, they seem like they know what they're doing. I also will be going there with an open mind. I don't go to saloons for the first time with this knowledge I have for hair. No, I just go there like someone who would like to get their hair done. That way I let them do what they do best. However, if I feel like there's something that you're not doing, I will say. For example, if I feel like there's so much tension, my hairline will recede, I will ask you nicely that, can you please, less tension, less fiber and everything like that. But yeah, I'm really excited to be going there now. I think I'm late for my appointment. Where's my phone? So it's 9:30 and my appointment is at 10 o'clock. So yeah, I gotta get going, guys. I gotta get going. I'll tell you everything you need to know about this place. And yeah, I hope I love it. I'm really, I don't know, guys. I don't know how to do this, but let me just, you know, go straight to the point and tell you guys the good and the bad. So with the good, I absolutely love the space. It's beautiful, it's aesthetically pleasing, it's elegant, it really serves the market considering that it's in Sandton. They also offer refreshments. They offered me soft drink. They asked me what I wanted, is it coffee, iced tea, whatever. I went for cold drink. And then when I was doing my hair, when I started braiding it, they offered me champagne. And yeah, it's really great. You also get a Wi-Fi password, which is perfect in case you want to like do some work whilst you're getting your hair done. Another thing, they have absolutely amazing service in terms of the hairdressers there or the hairstylists. They're really great. Even the lady who helped me like at the reception, admin wise, absolutely stunning. Like, they're really, really nice people. No lies there. What else did I like? Basically, I liked everything else, but when it came to getting my hair done, I absolutely love the outcome. The lady who finally did my hair for the second time, as you guys saw in the video, she was really, really great. There is quite some tension, so that's another thing I'm just a little bit about. There's quite some tension on my hairline, just tension on my head in general. But yeah, we'll see if tomorrow I'm still feeling the tension. Maybe it's just tension because I got a new hairstyle. But I think the problem began from the lady who was doing my hair the first time, the lady who washed my hair. So she washed my hair, she detangled, she was using products from Organics. When I told her that I'm not going to be using a hairdryer like heat on my hair, which I overheard when she was asking someone else to bring a hairdryer, she then opted to use a dip conditioner, but then it was actually a rinse out conditioner because after applying it, she just massaged my hair, then rinsed it off. And then that was it. Literally, she toweled my hair. I sat down, she took out gel. So the gel basically helps to lay down fluffy hair when you're braiding. That way you have like a smooth, clean finish. Then she was ready to braid my hair. Then I was like to her, moisturizer, are you not moisturizing? Then she was like, nope, she's not going to moisturize because it will leave white residue on my hair. She uses a moisturizer and then she uses gel. Then I'm like, that's probably because the two products you're using can't be mixed together, or you apply too much of it. But anyways, I at least asked her to put oil because there wasn't oil I saw. So I was like, you know what, Heather, just relax and then let them do your hair without me having to control anything. Then she parted my hair into 4 sections. She opened a line in the middle, as you guys saw. She braided. I actually wanted blonde. I absolutely love blonde. I always do blonde when I'm doing cornrows, right? And then the line didn't come out, guys. Like, it was just like, what's this? It doesn't look blonde. It looks like, you know, the cornrows under your wigs. That's what it looked like. And I'm like, no ways. And then she's like, no, it's the blonde. It's not blending well with your hair. Let's try black. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to be the girl who lives midline and I pay you for whatever you've already done, then go and never come back. I've done that before though. But let me see what she can do. Then she brought the black hairpiece, which is this one, but it was still someone else doing my hair, the same lady who washed it. Didn't come out. Even she said it herself. She was like, no, it's not nice, let me call someone else. The lady she called is the one who did my hair, who then even said to them, why didn't you guys call me in the first place? Because we spent an hour going back and forth, which could have been used to actually braid, because it took about 2 hours to do like these cornrows. And that's like the stuff that I really didn't like. So I felt like they are a great salon, but there's certain things that they can't do. I think that's a place you'd go to and you go with your own products. But also I paid 500. Initially they said 500, but I somehow paid 450. I don't know why, but I still think for that much amount and you're washing my hair and I'm bringing my products, that's quite a lot. Rather reduce it. So those are like the major things I had a problem with. However, the lady who came back to do my hair, this is beautiful. I really like it. I love it. She knew what she was doing. I was also now running a little bit out of time because I was meant to be somewhere else. My timing was perfect, but because we spent an hour going back and forth and undoing, braiding and undoing, that's what took the time. But yeah, guys, that's my experience at City Beauty Lounge. They're really professional also in terms of communication and everything else in between. And I really like that they give you refreshments, because you get hungry, you know, when you're getting your hair done, you need some Wi-Fi to like keep busy on Netflix or doing something else. But yeah, guys, that's it from me and my experience at City Beauty Lounge. I hope that this information is like useful in terms of you planning to visit them there. Then you have, you know, some tips. But in general, they are a beautiful, great salon. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. Until next time, I'm gonna go try another salon. I don't know what do I always want to be trying out new places because ish. But yeah guys, I really love the length as well. It's beautiful. Yeah.